juggalo train hoppers or whatever, you know, and they just fucking hop off and like cruise straight to the bridge. Am I chill to say go to strip clubs? You'll see it. Chris Russell, he's got some Burnside project that he's working on. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but he did some fucked up shit. You'll see. Hipstery? Hipstery is not really a word, but a lot of those. Crusty, rainy, weird, cold, cold as shit. Go to shows, for sure. Shit ton of good shows. Camping out here is fucking legit. Like all of the Northwest is sick as fuck. Strip clubs, there's like 5 million of them. Always end up there somehow. Lincoln City, hands down. Imagine how epic it would be to have that place in your backyard. Obviously, you'd have to have a shit ton of land, but like that would be the best thing in the world. Have that place. Dude, if you ever rode Indy's, it's not even a question. It's the best. I don't know what else to say.